I started this bootleg Scarlet Witch mask a year ago, so some steps won't be actually shown in this video. What I used: sketchbook paper, frozen pizza box, gouache in red, floral wire, hot glue, paintbrush. So first, I drafted the shape I wanted, which is kinda like what she has in the comics. Once I had my shape, I measured my face. These are the main points I measured. Forehead, from each side of my hairline forehead, from the tops of my eyebrows to my hairline, outer corner of my right eye to my hairline, outer corner of my left eye to my hairline. I traced my final shape onto my pizza box, and cut it out to the best of my ability. I used my gouache to paint the mask. I tried to do multiple coats, but gouache isn't the greatest, so my paint job is shoddy. Once the paint was dried, I flipped it over and taped the wire to the back to figure out placement. Then, I glued the wire down and let the glue dry. And done.